Hey guys, this video will introduce you to Weemail's latest feature called New Post Notification. So what is this feature? You can send emails containing latest posts of your website to your subscribers with an automated process. But how does it help? Well, it assists you for promoting content on your site through your email activities. Let's show you how it works. From your Weemail dashboard, click on Add Campaign. Then, go to New Post Notification. Set your campaign name and click on Next. Now set your subject title. You can also set an emoji or click on Personalize to customize your subject by adding names, email, or company name. In this video, we won't be adding these to keep it simple. Check your email address and name. Then, choose an email list and set a segment if you need to. Click Create Campaign to proceed. Now select a campaign of your choice. This is where you will set the content to be sent to your subscribers. Let's first make some changes to our post notification. In this case, we are deleting this section. You can also drag and drop any content of your choice if needed. In our case, we scroll down to delete sections which we don't need. So we are now left with the latest blog post you want to send to your subscribers. Click on the Edit logo to edit the notification content. You can display content from your site's page or posts. Set a category if you want to display posts from a specific category. In addition, you can display posts based on the tags of your WordPress site. This is all up to you. Post count lets you set the number of content on your site. For example, the post count was set to 2, so only 2 of your posts will be sent to your subscribers. Setting the post count to 4 will display 4 posts of your website. In the Style section, you can edit your email content by setting the border, color, title color, text alignment, and so on. It is all up to you. Hit Save to save your work. Click on Next. In the Settings section, you can check your setup. In the bottom section, you can set the time for sending the email according to your convenient time. Check the box if you want a notification to confirm your email has been sent. If you want to track your Google Analytics campaign, you can use this section or just leave it. Click Next to continue. By the way, you can also save your email content as a draft. In the Confirmation section, you can check your template and even edit them again to correct your errors. You can also preview your work if needed. Or you can send a test mail to check your work. Click on Next and hit Activate to send your post to your subscribers. Click on your campaigns and check how well your subscribers are responding. You can even preview your campaign again. Please note, if the campaign has been sent successfully, this is how it will be displayed. And that's it. If you are looking for more videos on email marketing using WordPress, then subscribe to our channel or visit our website at getweemail.io for more information.